Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do something different. Yes, I know you guys have been seeing me doing unboxing video for various angel card, yet today I'm gonna do an unboxing video for my Karwa Chauth gift. Yes, I'm going to be doing it with all of you all. I do not even know what's in it, so let's figure out what is it that I have got for this Karwa Chauth. It's kind of pretty heavy, and I'm gonna dive straight into this and let's figure out what's there in these boxes. I've got a cutter with me already, and let's start digging into this. I wonder where do I start from. I can already read what's in it, so I'm even more excited now. All right, let's do it. Okay. Any guesses? Write in the comment box if you think, if you know what is it or what you're guessing it is. And then in a while you'll figure out whether your guess was correct or not. If you know, let's see what it is. Whoa, it's kind of heavy, so I'll keep it down here. Yes, it's the Dyson Airwrap. Whoa, now how do I open it? From here. So there's this thing here. And again, yes. I'm really excited because I've heard about it from so many friends of mine, and yeah, someone very close to me bought it recently. And she was telling me that this is not a hair dryer. This is an investment. Oh, how do I take my investment out? Let me figure it out. It's pretty heavy, guys. Trust me. It's kind of very heavy. I wonder if it's the dryer that's heavy or if it's the box. Yay! Finally, that is also gone. And this is how the box looked like. It's like a vanity box itself, yeah? So I'm gonna open it up. Whoa! Feels nice already. I just want to show you how it looks like. Okay, I'm just going to keep all this stuff aside. And this is how it looks like. My Karwa Chauth gift. So that's the main magic wand, I would say, because this is what does the magic. I don't have a board nearby, so maybe I'll make another one to show you a demo of how this thing actually works, what it actually does, whether it actually does something or not, everything. Yeah, so yay, that's like unwrapping the cornetto corn. Ice cream. Yeah, so that's the main stuff. And then we have these attachments. This is the one I'm really excited about because this is going to help my hair look better. I've heard from my friends that this does not damage the hair as much as the other hair dryer does. And then it comes with a lot of attachments. I'm sure I'm going to be making another one to share with you how does all these individual attachments work. I'm just super excited I got this. So this is the, okay, I'm gonna figure it out. soon. Yes. Okay, so this is mainly for drying the hair. This is different than other hair dryers that just blows the hair. And this also has cold attachment for sure, so nice one. And yes, again, I wish I could just plug it in somewhere. I know. Yeah, so that is one of the attachment. I'm gonna still figure out how. Okay, so I got to unlock it. It comes out simple, easy. And then there are these attachments. This is the real magic, and this is what I'm actually excited about, because with this you don't have to roll it around the hair and you know it gets stuck and all. And once I went to okay, not Delhi, some local city, local city. I went for a wedding and we went to a local parlor there because that was the only parlor available. And literally it happened with me that when I came home, I realized that that person has literally burnt my hair. Like I had this small hair left here because he's literally burnt the entire string, like the entire hair, in the process of trying to curl it. And yeah, the hair came back, but at that point of time, it wasn't a very happy experience to have. Now that won't happen with these amazing attachments. There are 4 of these, so you can outroll them, inroll them, and these are very kind to the hair because it just do something automatically. So I'm definitely be making another one. I'm very excited for this one. So there are these attachments, and then there is this brush, so you can obviously do the brushing, combing, everything with this. And that is not all it is. Yeah, there are other stuff that comes along with this. I'm super happy. And totally, I love my husband for sure, even more after this. Yeah. So one very good thing about this is that I travel. If you guys know me, you know that I travel, and I travel a lot. And most of the time, like, you know, when you are in your own city or you're out somewhere in the city, and on special occasions, you can go to a salon, you can get your hair treatment done or hair styling done. Yet when you're traveling and you know you have your own classes and all, that point of time, I have always wished I had something handy, and this definitely is going to come handy. And wow, talking about the travel, this comes with a travel bag. Wow. I'm just gonna keep all the boxes. Wow, this is really nice. This is light, and thanks to this, I do not have to carry all this. So this is light. This does not have that much weight. All this is light. It's the box that is very heavy. So thanks to this, I don't have to carry the box along when I'm traveling, you know, so I can put all this in the box or in the travel kit and then just be on my way. Now let's see what else is there. I'm super excited. Okay. And now onwards, you guys might see more styling happening depending upon. Yeah, I'm sure I'm going to be experimenting with this new magic gadgets that I have. Okay, so let me all right. Okay, so this is an additional attachment, which is a little smaller brush than these, but it's also a hairbrush which can be put along with it, and then you can help my hair get better. So that is how it is. I wish I can put it in here somewhere. We'll figure it out. And the last one. This is really amazing. Okay. Whoa. It's like a game we used to play as a kid. Box and the box in it and another box in it. Yet this one is good because there is something inside. Alright, So there are more attachments. Let me figure out. Okay. Yes. So these are for thinner curls, I'm sure. So because these one are the out rolls. These one are for in rolls perhaps, and then these ones create the the smaller curls that you require. Wow, it's like the full salon at home. And I think with this one, if I can actually help myself. And I love you, Karwa Chauth. Thank you so much for this awesome gift. And I'm super excited. I'm going to start using it from tomorrow itself, like maybe today itself. And this is how it is. Do let me know if you have had this earlier and what has been your experience about it. I have just got it as a gift. I will definitely be sharing with you in probably the videos to come how have my experience been with this one. Let me just once again show how the entire kit looks like. Yay! It's like mega hairstyling kit. Yeah. So this is how the whole kit looks like here. Yeah, and along with this one too. This is superb. I'm really loving it. And yeah, if you guys would like me to share anything more about this, just let me know in the comment box. And I'll be sharing more videos with you on my channel, Shree Dembla. See you soon. Bye bye. And by the way, yeah, if you guys want to consider buying it or you want to consider looking into it, what I can do is I can share my affiliate link into the comments, into the description below. You don't have to pay extra for it. It's the same price that you pay, yet I might end up making little money out of it. Yeah, that can be fun too. Yeah, so I'll be sharing the links with you in the description below in case you want to consider buying it. I think every girl should have this. It's like an investment. So yeah, finally I made to have it. Though I thought about it once. I know law of attraction happens with me, and then I just end up getting surprises of things I just think about having in my life, and they just show up like this. Totally amazing. How does it get even better? Cool. So guys, I'm gonna see you guys with more amazing videos of whatever shows up in my life, which is worthy of sharing with you all. And this totally is like an amazing surprise to be sharing with you all. I was actually, I could read the Dyson Airwrap on the box when I saw it, and I was already excited reading that. And now when I've opened it up, I'm even more excited. So I'm going to say bye-bye to you, and I'm going to plug this in, and I'm going to start experimenting with this one. And yes, in the videos to come, I'll share more stuff about this. Okay, bye bye.